there is no doubt about the fact that applying to medicine is very challenging and also very competitive. So before I joined the FutureDoc programme, I would often find myself getting caught up in all the acceptance rates, which are very low, and also not really knowing how to approach each hurdle in the process, and trust me, there are many of them. So when I joined the FutureDoc programme, I was working alongside current medical students who are applying, and also Dr. Ash and Dr. Ryan. So having that support network was really essential throughout the process, because it is challenging, and if you ever have any questions, it's good to always have people that you can go to get those answered. It's also really important in terms of keeping the process flowing, so instead of it being daunting, in the end I actually really enjoyed the process, and I've been able to get into my first choice medical school. I'm looking forward to joining in September, but reflecting upon my experience with FutureDoc, there are so many opportunities to develop and to understand the process in depth. There are regular webinars held online regarding the UCAT, for instance, and things such as confidentiality, so that everything you can think of in terms of the process is covered, I can assure you that. And I've had so much fun as well. So we did an in-person interview day in London, and that was probably the highlight of the course, because not only did I get to meet everyone that I've been working with, but also I was able to develop my interviewing technique, and I just really enjoyed it. And that is another reason how I knew that medicine was for me, because if I could go through that whole day of interview questions about medicine, it was just another thing to reaffirm my decision. You will always be supported on the FutureDoc course, and any question you have, they are willing to answer it, and they will give you the best advice they possibly can. Dr. Ash and Dr. Ryan both know the application process to medical school, and so do the current students. So if you are looking for a resource that will support you and will help you get that place at medical school, then this is the resource for you, because as I said, I felt so supported. I've got into my first choice medical school. There is nothing else that I could have possibly asked for, because it was all provided. Join FutureDoc if you're thinking about it. This is your sign to join.